So today we are going to be making homemade slime, and all you need, is Elmer's glue, borax, and water, and 2 bowls, and I have 3 bowls, and then food coloring. So let's get started. Okay, so let me get the 2 bowls. And I'm also going to use sparkles because I want to make it cool. Okay, so we need 1 bowl. So in 1 bowl, we need 1/2 cup of glue. So this is going to be a lot of glue. Okay, it's not done yet.
Keep turning your voice off and keep turning it back on. She's going to start paying the electric bill.
Don't mind that. That's my parents. Okay, I think that's good. That's good. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's good. Okay. Then we need to put that into the bowl. I should have got Okay, sorry guys. The storage ran out. Okay, so we have the glue. I put all the glue in there. So now we need water, and luckily I have a sink right here. So we need 1/2 cup of water. It doesn't say warm or cold, so we're just gonna use that. Put it in. Ew. Okay, so we're gonna add food coloring. Okay. Okay, we're gonna add food coloring. Once again, the pouring space thing went. So I might have to keep doing that. So let's do this. I am going to do blue. I just love blue. Okay, so we're gonna put the food coloring in. I'm gonna put like 3 drops. Okay, so now we gotta move in on to the next one, or the next bowl, next step, which is put this 1 tablespoon of borax. Borax. It's okay. I'm afraid it's going to explode everywhere. Okay. Take a scoop. teaspoon. Okay. And then we need a cup of water. So we need 2 of these. We need 2 of these. You guys should know what a cup of water is. My camera angle is bad. Nope, that was just me. My angle. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to let this dissolve, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm pretty sure it dissolved. I asked my mom if she could check it. She said it was pretty dissolved. So let's get the big, huge bowl right here and to empty. You guys can see. So let's gonna try to get the camera in. Okay, guys, so I turned my camera on to this mode so I can show you guys what is going to happen. Ew. That's just gross. But it's supposed to make slime. So I'm going to mix this together. So I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I turned my camera on to this mode so I can show you guys what is going to happen. Ew. That's just gross. But it's supposed to make slime. So I'm going to mix this together. So I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, here is the final product. She is amazing. You just need to knead it for a while. If it's sticky, like when you get it into the bowl, you'll pour it into the bowl and then it will be like glue, and then you'll have to mix it and then take it out or mix it for like 1 to 5 minutes and then take it out, and then it should be like sticky, and then knead it and then it'll turn into this. And I'm going to be giving out some to my friends. So if any of my friends want some, please tell me and I will get you some, hopefully. So, yeah. Tell me if you know me, and I will know if I know you or not. So, yeah. I would put like a little bit where you're keeping it and some water into it. That's what I'm doing. So, it doesn't get all sticky.